Hello, and welcome to our channel where we feature the best in construction machinery. Today, we're excited to showcase a true workhorse in the industry, the KOMATSU D85PX-15 Bulldozer, a model from 2004 that's built to last and perform. With a gross horsepower of 266 HP at 1900 RPM and an operating weight of 27,650 kilograms, this bulldozer is designed for power and stability. It's equipped with a hydrostatic steering system for precision control and a suspension seat for operator comfort during long hours of operation. The D85PX-15 boasts a robust blade that's perfect for moving large volumes of soil with ease. The undercarriage is engineered for durability, featuring a track gauge of 7.39 feet and a ground pressure of just 6.3 psi, ensuring minimal ground disturbance and excellent maneuverability. This machine comes standard with a multi-shank ripper, providing versatility for a variety of tasks. The ripper has a maximum lift above ground of 564 mm and a maximum digging depth of 653 mm, making it ideal for breaking up tough terrain. Our KOMATSU bulldozer has been meticulously maintained, with only 7,000 hours of operation, ensuring it's ready to tackle any project you have in mind. Located in Japan, we offer global shipping to bring this exceptional machinery right to your job site. We understand that investing in quality equipment is crucial for your business, which is why we're open to negotiation on the price. Let's discuss how the KOMATSU D85PX-15 can meet your needs and become a valuable asset to your operations. Thank you for considering this powerhouse of a bulldozer. For more information or to make an offer, please reach out to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on high-quality construction equipment. See you next time.